Hi guys, it's me, Brittany and Natasha, and we're gonna play in the snow today. Yeah. And so, what are you gonna do first, Natasha? Well, look how hard this is. Oh, not really that hard anymore. I love snow. Your face looks funny. Well, no, dirt. I just rubbed it in the snow. I'm gonna fly over there. Whee! I'm afraid. I'm just going to roll in it because I need to get all snowy. Ha. This is fun. Natasha, wait! Okay. That was really fun. What do you want to do now? Let's dig holes and bury ourselves in it. Like this. Now bury me, Brittany. Okay. Now let me out. So snowy. Yay. Snow, 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 snow. I can't see out my eyeballs. I love this time of year with all the snow. Hi, Natasha. Hi, Brittany. It's really nice out. Yeah. Hey, watch out. Okay, you stand there. What are you doing? Just stay there, okay? Your face is hilarious. Excuse me. I'm gonna hit you with this giant snow gun. Hey. You make me look like I'm a white little fluffy thing. I'm gonna go adventuring and rolling in this beautiful fluffy snow. Natasha, it's your turn to cover me up. Oh yeah, okay. Let's dig the deepest trench ever seen by humankind. We're Redkins dogs. Okay, get in. Okay. We're not gonna let her out. See her? That was inappropriate. I can't see at my one eyeball. Ow, Natasha. Stupid little brat. Pretty trees. Dum 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 dum. I'm gonna find the windshield. This is really deep snow. I give up. Can't find the windshield. Brittany! Brittany! What? Come here. There's a little remote control car. Are you afraid of them? No, I'm not afraid of little remote control cars. It's right there. See it? You want to see it? I'm gonna hide right here. You go see what the dad's doing. you're a baby. But fine. Excuse me, little car. But what might you be doing on such a cold day?
I'm sorry.
Natasha, it hit me. It hit me, Natasha. And we need to dig trenches. We need to hide. We need to do something. Are you serious? My face is cold. Yeah. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm done. I'm gonna go inside.
Hey.
I need to sit here and wait for her. She's so stupid. The little jingle bells. You know what? I like to look at the sun and stuff, and I'm just gonna sit here and look at it. I'm gonna go find a different place to play in the snow now. It's deep over here. Look at the reindeer. Its poor little face. There you go. I hope it's good. I can't even see the screen. Oh, I'm gonna help this bush so it can stand. Christmas tree. This is a terrible idea. Hi, Mocha. Yeah. Geez, it's really deep over here. This is cool. My snow is sticking to my eyeball. Well, that's it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye!